Workflow at a standstill because of the Microsoft SharePoint Client Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix SharePoint Client Object Model conflict for good. Before we begin the walkthrough for Microsoft SharePoint Client Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Microsoft SharePoint Client Library, the primary client-side library for interacting with Microsoft SharePoint. It manages the localized data link and secure OAuth handshake for file synchronization. If missing, specialized document management tools and Office extensions will report SharePoint module load failure. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Microsoft SharePoint Client is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the SharePoint Client Object Model file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error again. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Microsoft SharePoint Client Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Microsoft SharePoint Client Library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Microsoft SharePoint Client Library environment. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Microsoft SharePoint Client Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.